The Royal Navy's Wildcat helicopter range has been upgraded with a new order of Martlet missile systems as part of a £176 million deal. Citing from the Royal Navy website. This delivery will include a large number of Martlet maritime anti-surface missile systems being handed over to Fleet Air Arm for use against threats from unmanned aircraft to small and fast attack craft. Weighing just 13 kilograms each, the missiles provide a versatile and precision weapon and were first fired at sea during the UK's carrier strike deployment in 2021. Martlet has since supported operations in the Middle East, protecting commercial ships from attacks by Houthi rebels in the Red Sea. Hundreds of missiles have also been provided to Ukraine, as they have struggled to repel Russia's illegal invasion that began in February 2022. D&S, the MOD's Defense Equipment and Support Division, completed an order for Thales UK light multi-role missiles for use by the Royal Navy and wider UK Armed Forces. The order will complement current and future short-range air defence capabilities, including for the British Army's Wildcat helicopters and Stormer combat vehicles. Minister for Defence Procurement and Industry, Maria Eagle, announced the order at the D&S stand at the Farnborough International Airshow this week.